Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to resize, scale, and STL or 3D model in Bambu Studio. All right, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you this simple text right here, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and click on it. Now you can go ahead over to the top and click on scale, or click on the object and just press S on your keyboard, and scaling will be available. Okay. Now, as you can see here, by default, uniform scale is enabled. So let's say, for example, you have here the scale, which is the percentage or the size or the actual physical size, okay, for the width, length, and height. So let's say, for example, you change your height to 105, okay, everything right here will change accordingly, okay. Your length, width will change to 105 as well as the size right here. Now, if you want to, for example, you wanted to be, or you wanted the height to be as thin as 1 millimeter. So go ahead over to size right here and make sure that uniform scale is disabled. So 1 millimeter, as you can see here, we have these points, means the height. So type down 1, then go ahead and tap away to make the changes. Tap, and as you can see here, it's done. That's basically it. Now, for example, the x-axis right here, I'm going to change it to 100. Okay, you have these points, means it's the width. So I'm going to change it to 100, hit on enter or tap away, and it'll be applied. This one as well, the length, for example, 50, hit on enter, and there you go. Okay, again, if you want everything to be uniform, well, click on uniform scale, change any size right here, for example, 100, there you have it. Okay. That is how you resize, scale an STL or 3D model here in Bambu Studio. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.